Hello everyone, I'm Monica and today I'm gonna do a soft pastel sketch. So let's start. So I got this 36 color set of Faber-Castell pencil colors and then a 24 color set of soft pastel color. This is really good color for beginners. And now my sketchbook. This is Winston and Newton heavy paper sketchbook, but this paper is not meant for soft pastels. But anyhow, we're gonna use this one. So let's start. Let's first sketch our portrait so it'll be easier, and then we know where to mark what color needs to go where. So first thing I'm gonna start with putting basic skin colors, and slowly we're gonna build the shade of skin tone. So what do we have here is Ashish Sharma, a beautiful photograph of Ashish Sharma. So he has like a wheatish complexion. So we're gonna build that wheatish tone. First I'm gonna start with the skin tone, and then slowly we're gonna put some yellow in, and then a darker brown for the shadows. Now I do use cotton bud sometimes to smudge it, but this time I want to try a new method, and this method is for layering in, so I'm not using cotton bud anymore. Maybe for some tiny portions like around the nose, around the eye, shadow, socket area and something, we can do that. But for the major skin tone, I'm going to just use my fingers to blend in, and I'm not going to blend too much. So I'm gonna do this portrait more like I would do a oil painting portrait. So we're gonna slowly build more colors on top of each other before blending in. Now I'm using this Faber-Castell pencils, but I found out while I was using it that this is more towards oil-based pencil, and when I tried to put pastel colors on top of this pencil, it was not working properly. So yes, if you're mixing two different mediums of colors, like this is soft pastel like chalk paste and oil based, then it's gonna be really difficult. But yeah. There guys, now we are at the final stage. I'm doing hair and I'm gonna put lots of different shades in the hair. So I'm using a brown, chocolate brown, dark brown, black, gray, and light white tone in there for some shine and shadows. So yeah, slowly we are building some hair tone in there because recently I've started doing this type of hair. Slowly we're gonna build colors in the hair instead of just one big block of black color in there. So slowly trying to build some shadows around your forehead and on the hair as well. So there it is guys, this is a finished look and I think it looks really nice. I really like the way it turned out with this new technique, and let me show you how it looks in a natural light. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe, and we'll see you soon. Bye bye.